Our today's topic is direction sense test, right? So in direction sense test, it is the important logical reasoning part where we have four direction: north, south, east and west. These four directions are termed as cardinal direction. Apart from that cardinal direction, we have more four directions which are called sub-cardinal direction. So these are northeast, southeast, southwest and northwest. So on the basis of our given problem, we have to find out the exact direction and the length of that particular direction. So here the important formula we applied always, that is Pythagoras theorem. So in Pythagoras theorem, what we find, BC square equal to AB square plus AC square. So in short, if you want to find out the value of BC, that is equal to root over of AB square plus AC square. In that way, we can find any area as per the requirement of the problem. Now let's see. First problem. A man walks 5 km north, then 3 km east. How far is he from the starting point? At first the man walks 5 km north. So this is the north. So the man moves 5 km. So this is 5 km. And after that 3 km east. This is the part of east. Again 3 km moves. That is, this is 5 km. This is 3 km. Okay. If I draw it in that way, it is the 5 km, then 3 km. 5k, 3k. Then how far is he from the starting point? So it is the starting point. Now we have to find out this. If we assume the starting point is A, we have to find out the value of AB. Okay? So what to do? Just we have to square this value and square that value. Add all this, then we will get this AB. So we can write AB equal to root over of 5 square plus 3 square. 25 plus 9, that is root 34. So you will get the value approximately 5.39. So it is applicable to Pythagoras theorem. Next, a person walks 10 km east, then south. In which direction is he from the starting point? So students, logically you have to see, here we have to find out the direction, not the exact kilometer, right? So we have to find out the direction. So a person walks 10 km east. So east is that side, so 10 km. It is the starting point. It is the east, so 10 km from east. Then what it did? Then 5 km south. South in that portion, 5 km south. In which direction is he from the starting point? So if you see the starting point, it is the starting point. Now the man is standing here, right? At first, person walks 10 km east. So east is the 10 km. Then after 10 km, what he did? 5 km south. So from that point, it moves 5 km. Okay, understood? Whatever this, that is also this. So now you erase this portion. You are clearly find what is the position. The position is like that. First east, then south, the position is southeast. So they are asking which direction, the direction is southeast. The man from the starting point now standing in the southeast position.